work in the rice field. I work in the rice field. Welcome to speaking class, part 2. In this part, you will have another way to ask what someone's job is. Many people commonly say, "What is your job? What is your job?" So instead of saying, "What is your job?" you can say, "What do you do? What do you do?" And to respond that questions, you can say, "I'm a farmer. I'm a farmer." Or, "I'm a doctor. I'm a doctor." The incremental response that you can employ is the phrase, "I work. I work." As an illustration, if you are a farmer, you can only say, "I work in the rice field. I work in the rice field." Or, if your job is to lead some guests into certain places, you can say, "I work as a guide. I work as a guide." Or, if you're TV1 team, you can say, "I work for TV1. I work for TV1."